This is my nose before using Bioré strip. And here I am removing the Bioré strip. You could see a white head, that yellow thing there. Now these thin things, I don't know if those are hairs or just really small whiteheads, but you can also see that the bigger ones, most of the bigger ones don't get pulled out. Mostly I'm seeing a lot of thin hairs. You can see there's several. There's a big one up there in the top right. And I bought these strips because I do have a lot of big pores on my nose and they tend to clog up. So, ooh, there's a big one. It's kind of hard to film up close while you're pulling your strip out. Ooh, there's a bunch. Mostly thin, small ones though. And if you're wondering, it doesn't really hurt to remove this. It's just you slowly remove it. Ooh, there was a big one. That's a really big one. Nice one there. So fun, kind of satisfying. It would be really cool if it pulled all of them out. We'll try next time a different technique to remove whiteheads, to remove a lot at once, and see if we could film that. But it'll involve a butter knife, believe it or not. Maybe not recommended to try at home, but I'll see if I can film it for you. It's a really long one. And here's a view of the strip after I'm done pulling it off. Try and get it in focus for you here. Let's see if I can get it at the right distance so you can see how much is on there. And here's my nose after. Still plenty of whiteheads there. It does seem a little bit cleaner. I think it is improvement for sure. We'll see if we can overlay my before. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, there's plenty more where that came from. Here's a couple more videos you might enjoy, or hit subscribe so you don't miss the next ones coming up. Leave a comment of what you think we should see up close next.